Hello everyone, my name is Michael and welcome back to Mission Accomplished. Today, I'm going to show you how to install and run DeepSeek-RI, a powerful new Chinese open source AI model locally on your machine. Step 1. Download and install Ollama. To run DeepSeek locally, we're going to use a tool called Ollama. Ollama is an open source framework that lets you run AI models directly on your computer. To use Ollama, first, go to ollama.com/download. Second, download the correct version for your operating system. Since I'm using a PC, I'm going to download Ollama for Windows. Once Ollama has finished downloading, run the setup and follow the installation instructions. It should be pretty straightforward and easy. Once you have everything installed, we'll move on to Step 2. Step 2, open the terminal. Now, we'll use our computer terminal to interact with Ollama and install DeepSeek. To use the terminal, open your computer's search bar and look up terminal or shell to open up your device's command line interface. First, we're going to check to see what models we have installed on Ollama. Let's type the command Ollama list. This query should run and show us a small table of the models we have installed in Ollama. Since this is our first time, the list should be empty. We can now begin installing DeepSeek-RI. Step 3. Install DeepSeek-RI. Let's go back to Ollama on our web browser and go to their library. We're going to search DeepSeek-RI in the model library. You'll see we have 7 different parameter versions of DeepSeek-RI to choose from, starting as small as 1.5 billion parameters to as large as 671 billion parameters. For our demonstration, we're going to download the smallest version of DeepSeek, which is 1.5 billion parameters. The 1.5 billion model is only 1.1 gigabytes. To download this version, you're going to select the 1.5B version in the dropdown. Then go to the right and copy the command code that says Ollama run DeepSeek-RI 1.5B. We're going to paste that command back in our terminal. Once it's there, we're going to hit enter, and that's going to start the download of the model onto our device. It should take just a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 4. Testing DeepSeek. Now the model has finished downloading and everything is a success. Now we're going to test it just to make sure DeepSeek is working fine. Let's ask DeepSeek a simple question. What is 2 plus 2? DeepSeek uses reinforcement learning, meaning it thinks step by step to solve problems similar to how human beings think. In its response and output, DeepSeek will show us how it is processing and making its calculation before it comes to its conclusion or answer. As we can see, DeepSeek has the answer correct. 2 plus 2 does equal 4. Step 5. Running DeepSeek again. To run DeepSeek again after you've installed it on your device, we're going to close our current terminal tab and open a new one. From there, we're going to run 2 commands that we used previously before. The first command is Ollama list, which will show us all of the models we have downloaded onto Ollama. We can see our list now, and it shows us the 1.5 billion parameter version of DeepSeek we just installed. We're going to copy the name of the model, and then we're going to enter the next command, Ollama run. We're going to copy the name of the model we just downloaded and paste it, and click enter. The command should run for a few seconds, and then boom, we're back in DeepSeek again, ready to run another prompt or query into our model. And that's it, folks. This is how you can install DeepSeek or any other open source AI model for that matter onto your device and use it locally by using Ollama. As AI evolves, knowing how to self-host models will be an essential skill for your development and understanding. If you run into any issues, please comment below with the timestamp of where you got stuck and I'll help you troubleshoot. Please like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Stay blessed and I'll see you in the next video.